How y'all doing tonight? So welcome to my weight loss journey. Because I'm way too fat. Aloha. Welcome to my weight loss journey. This is just an update. This is my second weight loss journey video. Oh, by the way, I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. So my goal is to lose 40 pounds. I'm 2 weeks into it. I've lost 2 pounds. I'll show you. I dusted off my rowing machine. I'm trying to do 10 minutes of rowing a day just to start out. And if I don't get around to the rowing machine, I'll go walk for 25 minutes. That seems to be very doable. Mookie and I are incredibly out of shape, so we gotta start cracking the whip, right, Mookie? And then I'll just show you the breakfast I had this morning. I had some lovely ripe cantaloupe with a little bit of Greek yogurt. The Greek yogurt had only 6 grams of sugar. I said I was going to try to completely cut out sugar. I don't know if that's even possible. And then I had that orange juice, which is low sugar, but still sugar in it. And then I drink a lot of espresso, so my espresso had 0 sugar in it. So I'm off to a good start. And we'll keep you posted. Leave a comment in the comment section if you want me to continue on updating on my weight loss journey, or I'll just go back to making drink videos. All right. You got anything to say, Mookie? Mookie says, life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki.